Hey guys, we're here at the Nazareth Village here in Nazareth to explore life back in the first century during the days of Jesus. So let's explore. Our journey first begins outside amongst the ancient olive trees as we learn about the traditional three-step process to create olive oil. Olives are pressed and crushed 3 times. Next, the grapevines, although not yet with fruit, remind us of the importance of wine to the first century, and we see a traditional vessel that would have been used for crushing the grapes, and also a threshing sled that would have been used during the harvest season. Next, we take a glance into a traditional first century household. It was modest yet accommodating. And of course, the kitchen would have been outside the household with just the basic bare necessities to prepare the daily meals. Here I am in the Nazareth Village, sitting in one of the first century kitchens. This would have been the place where I would have loved to be. I just love everything about it. So basic, so rustic, but everything you need for the perfect kitchen. The mortar and pestle to grind your grains, all of the basic grains, things we still eat today, lentils, beans, farro, and then of course the beautiful cabbages that we saw growing in the fields. What a kitchen. Oh! And the garlic, and the rosemary, thyme, beautiful. And of course, the trade of carpentry was essential during the first century, as it is in modern times. Carpenters traditionally worked with wood or stone to create essential items. Our journey continues as we take a stroll to meet some of the local farm animals. Sheep and donkey were essential to the first century as they are today. Donkey were used for their protection, their strength, and as transportation. And of course, the sheep were sheared and their wool was turned into yarn. The yarn could then be woven to create an assortment of goods. To dye the fabric, natural colors from fruits such as pomegranates were essential to create beautiful colors. Next, we take a look inside a replica of a first century synagogue, with everything including a replica of a traditional scroll. Hey guys, so we have just now come to the end of exploring our wonderful time at the Nazareth Village, and last but not least, I have this beautiful cooking utensil. I love it. I mean, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And this is just such a reflection of our history and the culinary world, and everything that we can learn from our past. Actually, this just reminds me of that. So thank you guys for checking it out. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm enjoying it because I actually have some thyme that I'm drying at home, but I love the smell. Garlic and thyme, if you're not cooking with them, cook with them. Happy place. And until the next time, see you later. See ya.